the fuck? Why the fuck you open your door?
Because the window doesn't open.
Well, you gotta look in your fucking mirror, dude.
Look in my mirror. You're going too fucking fast.
I got it on video, so don't worry about it. Yeah, that's right. Oh, you ain't gonna kick nobody's ass. Fucking douchebag. Gotcha. Come on over here. Come on over here. Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. Since he opened his door.
Yeah, no, I went around, pulled on the side, and I let him know his gas cap was open, and I guess his window didn't work, so he went to open his door, and it was just unfortunate timing.
Okay. Well, he still should check his mirror.
Yeah, no, I agree. It was just a really bad timing thing. So.
Well, I got it on video, okay, so we're cool. Well, yeah, I'm cool. The bike's fucked up, so.
Is it?
Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah, I'm fine. No problem. So, yeah, it's.
You're okay though.
Yeah, I'm fine. Like I said, the door almost got my hand, but the hand guards took it.
Yeah, it was one of those bad timing things.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Shit. Well.
All right. You guys good?
No, I'm calling the cops.
Okay.
You gotta get a report.
Okay.
Because your car got some damage too, did it not?
Yeah, it's just a little bum. It'll polish out, no problem.
No, dude. Sorry, man. Need a police report. I've been through this shit before, so yeah, I'm serious. Yes, man. Just had an accident between a motorcycle and a Jeep. Okay, we're on Imperial and
This is Imperial and Shopping Center. Yeah, Imperial and Shopping Center. We're holding right behind the policy.
Yes, ma'am. Now, usually when what you call cops, they don't have any insurance, which I'm fully covered, but still.
Yeah. I gotta
Jeep Cherokee.
Get to a doctor's appointment. I can give you my card.
Okay.
I'm good. Nothing happened with me.
A Grand Jeep Cherokee and a Kawasaki Versys 1000. Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
It's a blackish gray. Yeah, that's me. Joseph Wells? Correct. All right, thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we're right behind the coffee bean. Yeah, I was a plane split. That's Cadillac and the Jeep.
my car.
And the guy in the Jeep.
I gotta get out to an appointment.
Door hit my bike and bounced into the Cadillac. Then it hit the ground.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. Take care, bud. Yeah, well, when he opened his door, I think then I flipped the Cadillac, but he said there's not really no damage on there. He left the car and had to go for the appointment. Yeah, he just had a couple minor scuffs, but he left his business card and had to go.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna leave my card for you. I'm gonna leave my information for you. And
Well, the guy driving the Jeep wants to take off, so.
yeah, there's not much damage to mine, brother. You know?
Sure.
I mean, it's, you know, just take a.
Thank you. Bye. Yep, that's the damage on his car. Okay, those are boogered up. That's boogered up.
That's your phone, bud.
Huh?
That's your phone. Just take a photo.
I got it on video here. I can just. All right, Malone, Brendan Lee. All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good one.
Sorry about that,
No problem.
You okay though? You're not
Yeah, I'm fine. Like I say, the hand guards kept it from the door from hitting right on the fingers. So it's like some guys had their finger.
In there and fuck, I look in the mirror, man. I didn't fucking see it. To be honest with you, I didn't. We rode motorcycles on the street.